The overall goal of these ultrasonic ozonolysis and electrophoretic deposition processes is to achieve a stable dispersion of carbon nanomaterials, which can then be used for the preparation of hierarchical composite materials.
This method can answer key questions in the hierarchical composites field by providing a convenient method to controllably coat microfiber fabrics with carbon nanomaterials. The main advantage of this technique is that carbon nanomaterials, such as nanotubes and nanoplatelets, can be functionalized and made compatible with polymeric resin systems without the use of harsh chemicals.
To begin this procedure, transfer all needed materials into a glove box inside a HEPA filter-equipped fume cupboard. Weigh the desired quantity of nanomaterials into a bottle and add water so that the final nanoparticle concentration is 1 gram per liter. Seal the bottle with a lid. Ultrasonicate for 30 minutes at 43 kHz and 60 watts to disperse the CNTs and GNPs. Next, carefully pour the nanoparticle suspension into a reactor flask containing a magnetic stir bar. Assemble the experimental setup as detailed in the text protocol. After this, insert the ozone bubbler and connect it to the ozone generator. Then, place the reactor flask into the refrigerated bath. Stir the solution to prevent the CNTs from settling out of the suspension. Turn on the cooling water recirculation unit to cool the ozone reactor and ultrasonic cell. Then, turn on the oxygen supply to the ozone generator. Adjust the flow rate to 0.5.